hello, and thank you for all your kind words on the Polanski video. You know, it's funny, I spent a lot of time working on that video, and when it was done, I didn't like it at all. That's actually why I uploaded it here instead of my main YouTube account, because this account is usually where I just put random stuff that I don't think is ready for prime time. And by the time I finished working on that one, I felt like it was so long and bloated and so much stating the obvious that I didn't think anybody would actually want to watch it, which I guess goes to show it's really hard to be objective about your own work. It's like there was this one time in 4th grade when I had $5 in my pocket and I decided I was gonna go to the candy shop, buy $5 worth of caramel and eat it all at once. So I went to the candy shop, which looking back on it, I think was actually a drug spot that just had one jar of candy up front so they could pretend it was a candy shop. And I bought myself $5 worth of caramel, which was 50 caramels. Then I went back to the schoolyard and set about on my mission of deliciousness to eat these 50 caramels in one sitting. And I was having the time of my life eating these 50 caramels up until around caramel number 30. And then it was like, you know, this doesn't even really taste like caramel anymore. It's starting to taste like peanut butter or something. And I'm not really enjoying it at all now. But of course I couldn't stop, so I just kept on going, eating these caramel until my taste buds lost all ability to appreciate flavor. And I couldn't even remember what caramel ever tasted like or why I enjoyed food. And by the time I was done, I never wanted to see caramel again. And that is what making a video always feels like for me. It's like eating 50 caramels. I spend so much time staring at this thing and filming and editing and watching it over and over again that by the time I'm done, I've completely lost my ability to tell whether I like it or not. I can't remember why I ever liked watching anything, least of all my own face with words coming out of it. So 9 times out of 10, when I finish a video, I feel like I have no ability to gauge how good it is, and I have no confidence that anybody else is gonna like it. So anyway, I don't really have a point here. I just wanted to say hello to all my new subscribers and viewers. And I'd like to hear, I'm sure a lot of you do creative work as well. Do you ever have that experience with your stuff? If you do, please tell me about it in the comments section so that I won't feel crazy and alone. And in the meantime, I'm gonna work on making more videos and ignoring what that little hater is telling me.